Hi, I'm Halal Slaterman from Indonesia. Today I'm gonna show you how to make meat hanso from Boso. Sorry for my bad English, I hope you understand my explanation. Okay, I'm gonna show you first. The blade from Boso was made from carbon steel, which is not hygiene for butchering or cutting the meat. And then I replace the original blade into stainless steel blade. This blade is special for meat handsaw. This blade is made from stainless steel. Before you replace the original blade into stainless steel blades, you must cut the original tip from the stainless steel blade. This tip you must remove this tip, and then you miswrap the attachment from Boso, and then you make the hole. You can drill the hole with high-speed steel blade for drilling, because if you use the wood drill blade, you cannot make a hole to your stainless steel blade. And when you drilling the hole, I hope you be careful, because it can make shred your body, make your body bleeding. I hope you be careful and make attention when you drilling the hole. I hope you not make wound for your body. After you drilling the hole, you can attach the stainless steel blade into Boso. I make hole into this and make hole into tip 2. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you for watching. See you.